Okay, good afternoon, Cuxton. I hope you had the best weekend. And we were really lucky with the weather, weren't we, on Saturday? I went out pumpkin picking and had a lovely time. So I hope you had a good weekend too. We're going to start today by celebrating children's talents because last week I forgot to show some medals and I felt incredibly guilty. So this week I've placed them in front of me so I do not forget. So at Cuxton, we're really trying to promote the talents of our pupils across the curriculum. So not just maths and English, I mean the arts and the dramas and the gymnastics and the PE and all the things that you do outside of school. So it's been really pleasing over the last couple of weeks to see lots of you down in my office to show me all that you've achieved outside of school, whether it be a certificate or a medal for a particular talent that you've been working on. So the first well done that I'd like to say today is a big well done to Matilda, who has received her medal for her gymnastics, her MIPA. So a big well done to Matilda. I know how hard you're trying with your gymnastics at the moment, and she came down to see me the other day and was absolutely beaming because of her achievements. So well done, Matilda. And then next, I'd like to say a big well done to Jess. Both of those pupils are in year 5, by the way. Jess, who undertook a twilight walk. So a twilight means at night, and she undertook it to raise money for a certain cause. So a big well done to Jess, who's thinking about how she can have a positive impact on her community, so upholding the community values. So well done, Jess and Matilda. I'd love to see more over the coming weeks, so please keep bringing them down to me. It'd be lovely to see. Okay, let's get cracking with our certificates today. So we're going to start with year 1. So we have Joseph, who has a lovely positive attitude towards learning. I'm just going to let another class in. Who has a lovely positive attitude towards his learning. So keep it up, Joseph. Really impressive. Well done to Roxy. Fantastic computing skills. So trying really hard, Roxy. Well done. And Ethan for producing an excellent painting of Rosa Parks. And I've seen some beautiful Black History Month artwork going up in the corridor. And well done to Harry C for always being resilient in his learning. So clearly upholding one of our school values, Harry. Let's give year 1 a huge round of applause. Well done, year 1. Off to year 2. So Pippa, you've been given a certificate for a lovely poster design for Mental Health Day. We celebrated Mental Health Day on Thursday because it's a really important day in our calendar at the moment. So well done, Pippa. Well done to Ariana for fantastic sketch drawing of Mo Farah for Black History Month. And again, I've seen some of that work displayed and it's phenomenal, year 2. Congratulations for Sebastian for showing fantastic resilience to improve his writing. So upholding one of our school values, Sebastian. And to Amelie for being a fantastic member of our community, engaging with her teachers and friends to improve. That's really pleasing to hear, Amelie. Keep it up. Let's give year 2 a huge round of applause. Well done, year 2. Off to year 3 now. So we have a certificate here for Alfie in Cherry class for trying his best in all lessons. So clearly upholding our excellence value, Alfie. To Poppy Rose for working hard on her handwriting. I have to say I've been very impressed with year 3 presentation. A big well done to Toby for his resilience in improving his handwriting. I know Toby's been working really hard at home as well, so please keep it up, Toby. And congratulations to Molly for her adventurous performance of an advert. So upholding our adventure value, Molly. Keep it up. Let's give year 3 a huge round of applause. Well done, year 3. Off to year 4 now. So we have Bella for her excellent ideas in our RE discussions. So Bella in Maple class. Congratulations to Harvey for showing resilience in his handwriting. There's a few certificates this week for handwriting, Cuxton. A big well done to Amelia O for her excellent use of rhyme in her poem about the digestive system. And I did see that video, Amelia, and it did make me giggle. So well done, Amelia, for upholding the excellence value. And to Bobby N for demonstrating the community value for working collaboratively and respectfully with his peers during lunchtime. Well done to Bobby. Let's give year 4 a huge round of applause. Well done, year 4. Off to year 5 now. So we have Riley, who's working amazingly hard, doing big writes. So big well done to Riley. And to Ned for great negative numbers knowledge. Keep it up, Ned. Well done to Archie B for his excellent drama in his PSHE lesson. I did see some photos of Olive Class' PSHE lesson last week. Seems like you were learning some really important skills and knowledge around online safety. Well done to Ollie H for being so conscientious towards his peers at Forest School. Oh, what a lovely thing to receive a certificate for. Well done, Ollie. Let's give year 5 a huge round of applause. Let's go to year 6. So we've got Stanley, who's shown her community value by being an excellent maths coach for his peers. Oh, Stanley, that's wonderful. Well done. And to Grace for showing excellence when tackling her practice SATs tests. Scoring phenomenally well. Grace, well done. Well done to Harley W for demonstrating the community value through his support of his peers. Congratulations, Harvey. Keep it up. And well done to Rose for demonstrating excellence through the work she produces in all subjects. That doesn't surprise me at all, Rose. You work incredibly hard. Let's give year 6 a huge round of applause. Well done, year 6. Okay, now we are off to the Tidiest Classroom Awards. So the Tidiest Classroom in the infant school goes to, drum roll, stop, Ash Class. Well done, Ash Class. And I know they're not actually listening today, but it's really pleasing to hear that an early years classroom is winning the award. And the Tidiest Classroom is in the junior school goes to, drum roll, stop, year 3 again. Year 4, 5 and 6, we've got a lot of work to be done. I've spoken to Mrs. Hackett and Mrs. Humphrey, and they said year 3 are above and beyond with regards to their clearing. They go above and beyond with regards to their clearing up, and they're consistently the tidiest classrooms. So year 4, 5 and 6, we've got to work really hard on that, because it would be really nice to hear another class or another year group called out next week. Now, the Best Attendance Awards this week. Oh, and I need to see, I haven't been given back our golden envelopes. So if you had the golden envelopes from last week, please make sure you hand them back. So the Best Attendance in the infant school goes to, drum roll, stop, Beach Class with 99.3%. Well done, Beach Class. And that's a vast improvement on the infant attendance from last week. We did have quite a few poorly children though. And the best attendance in the junior school goes to, drum roll, stop, Chestnut Class with 98%. So a big well done to Beach Class, who are going to be given the golden envelopes. I think they have had them before already. So well done, Beach Class. You're doing really well with your attendance this year. So remember, you get 15 minutes of free play. So maybe in the ICT suite, outside, or in your classroom. So enjoy your 15 minutes of your golden time. Let me have a look at the golden book. And the other evening, children, I had the pleasure of writing out lots of postcards at home. I reckon I probably wrote out near enough 100 children's names on postcards, which will be coming your way over the next few weeks. Ollie's got the big job of now putting the addresses on them. So they will be posted to you and hopefully you'll receive them very shortly. So in the golden book this week, we've got Jessie J for her phenomenal handwriting. We've got Oscar R for his fantastic ideas making up rhymes about eating food. We've got Jessica G and Tommy J for amazing column edition work. We've got James G for an excellently detailed and well-presented news report. We've got Lila D for an amazing effort with her home learning project, making some delicious looking chocolates. I didn't see those, Lila. Well done to Matilda for her amazing achievements at gymnastics, and we've seen the medal today. And Jessica G for her achieving the medal for participating in the Twilight Walk. Well done to Hygen S for great independent work on number fact families. To Millie T and Sebastian CM for both making an excellent effort with their writing. Great job, Mr. Bilton's written. Well done to Harley M and Mitchell B for both producing incredible stories, putting lots of effort into presentation and vocabulary. And finally, but last but not least, well done to Soam J and Sienna H for working incredibly hard on addition and subtraction. So a huge well done to those children who were in the Golden Book this week. So keep it up. Finally, children, it's writing week. Now, I've been around your classes this morning and I've seen lots of you planning a story as to what you think is going to be in the special box. And I know Hugo's been very busy digging up our grounds and has found a special box, and he would like you to write a story by the end of the week explaining what you think might be in there. So I'd love to see some writing week competition entries, because there is going to be a competition. So over the week, if your teachers are really impressed with you, they might be able to come down and see one of us in the offices to show off your fantastic work. Have an incredible week, Cuxton. Not long till half term now, just a week and a bit. And just to let you know, next week's celebration assembly is actually going to be in person. So we're all going to be in the hall. So it's going to take a little bit longer to get through than it would do if it was virtually, because obviously we're going to have to clap people and say a big well done. So I'm really looking forward to leading the celebration assembly in the hall next week to see all your lovely faces. Have a great rest of your afternoon, and I will speak to you soon. See you later. Bye.